Today, we're tackling a universal struggle: stains. Stains. They're the worst, right? Whether it's a splash of coffee on your new shirt or a mysterious mark on your favorite rug, stains can feel like the enemy of a happy home. But don't worry, I'm here to banish those bad vibes and empower you with some seriously easy stain removal hacks. These tricks use simple ingredients you probably already have in your home, so ditch the harsh chemicals and let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the power couple of DIY cleaning: baking soda and vinegar. This combination is like magic for so many things, and stain removal is no exception. I always keep both of these stocked in my pantry because you never know when a stain emergency might strike. To make this cleaning powerhouse, just grab a bowl and mix equal parts baking soda and white vinegar. You'll see it start to fizz. That's the cleaning power activating. Mix it into a paste and you're ready to tackle those stains. This combo is amazing on kitchen counters, bathroom tiles, and even stubborn stovetop messes. Just apply the paste, let it work its magic for a few minutes, then scrub it away with a brush and watch the stain disappear. Next up is another natural wonder: the mighty lemon. Lemons are like little bursts of sunshine in your kitchen, and they're not just for flavoring your water. The citric acid in lemons is a natural stain fighter, especially when combined with a bit of salt. This duo is amazing for tackling those tough stains on cutting boards. You know, the ones left behind by colorful fruits or stubborn turmeric? Just sprinkle some salt onto your cutting board, then cut a lemon in half and use it to rub the salt into the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes while the lemon juice works its magic, then rinse it off with water. Voila, good as new. Okay, this next one might sound a little strange, but trust me on this. Toothpaste is a secret weapon for removing stains from white sneakers. I know, it sounds crazy, but it totally works. Just make sure you're using a non-gel toothpaste. The white paste kind works best. Simply apply a dab of toothpaste to the stain, then grab an old toothbrush, you know, the one you don't use on your teeth, and scrub the stain in circular motions. The toothpaste acts as a gentle abrasive to lift the stain, and it's surprisingly effective. Once you've scrubbed away the stain, just wipe the area clean with a damp cloth and marvel at your sparkling white sneakers. Now let's talk about those dreaded carpet and upholstery stains. We've all been there, right? A spill on the rug, a pet mishap, it happens. But before you panic, reach for the hydrogen peroxide and dish soap. This combination is a powerful stain-fighting duo that can tackle even the toughest messes. Simply mix equal parts hydrogen peroxide and clear dish soap in a bowl. Then, using a clean cloth, gently blot the stain with the mixture. Avoid rubbing, as this can spread the stain. Instead, blot gently and let the mixture sit for a few minutes to work its magic. Finally, blot the area with a clean, damp cloth to remove the cleaning solution and admire your stain-free carpet or upholstery. Last but not least, let's banish those pesky ink stains. We've all been there. A pen explodes in your bag or your little one decides to use your white shirt as a canvas. But don't worry, rubbing alcohol is here to save the day. Simply grab a cotton ball and soak it in rubbing alcohol. Then, gently dab the ink stain with the cotton ball, working from the outside of the stain towards the center to avoid spreading. You'll see the ink start to transfer onto the cotton ball. Continue dabbing until the stain is gone, then launder the garment as usual. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. Tell us in the comments below which of these hacks is your favorite. And there you have it. 5 easy, natural stain removal hacks using ingredients you probably already have at home. Now you can say goodbye to those stain-induced panic attacks and hello to a cleaner, fresher home. Remember, a little stain prevention goes a long way, so blot up spills immediately and treat stains as soon as possible. But when those inevitable accidents do happen, you'll be armed and ready with these simple and effective solutions. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.